Passing through the FYP of YouTube today, and honestly, I saw a particular video, not one, just like over 3 videos on my screen that actually pushed me to make this video, which is YouTube demonetizing channels. And at the same time, a lot of people are already posting on their channel saying they want to quit YouTube. And each of the videos that I watch, they always have something to say, and of which, to be honest, I'm not going to say their reasons are not genuine for quitting YouTube. You understand? First of all, I came across this video. YouTube demonetized his channel, and according to the person, what led to that YouTube demonetizing his channel is him not knowing that he re-uploaded one video twice, right? That is why, as a YouTuber there, if you're watching this video right now, the first thing you need to do now is go to your content and check all your videos from beginning to the end, especially if you're monetized. Even if you're not monetized, you still need to do this, because why? You will get monetized one day. So that is one of the major reasons why YouTube is demonetizing channel, right? So he said he didn't know that he re-uploaded one video twice, and long time ago, you understand, until when this demonetization came, and he went ahead to delete all the video he thought was bringing the demonetization, only to learn later, find out that the content he uploaded a long time ago was one of the major reasons why YouTube actually demonetized his channel. Now, coming back to fix that, he has lost all the watch hour, and right now he is looking for, like, he's desperately looking for watch hour. And you guys know that watch hour is not easy to come by. You understand what I'm trying to say? It is not easy to come by. I keep telling everybody. So the good thing that you are going to do for yourself right now is to go into your channel, play your videos one after the other, to see that you don't have any reused content. As a small content creator, it will go a very long way for you, so that you don't get your channel demonetized when you are monetized, or you don't get a strike on your channel whenever you are not prepared. Okay, now, not only that demonetization videos that I've seen, but that's the only one I can really remember that we're talking about right now. Now, this is the second thing. The second thing that I saw was people quitting YouTube. Now, I go on street of YouTube, you said, oh, I'm quitting YouTube, I'm no longer doing YouTube. And to be honest, these people are not joking. Like, when they say they are no longer doing, they are no longer doing. And I see a lot of reasons, like there is no views on YouTube, and it's tiring, it's demoralizing them, and so on and so forth. And let's just be honest, right? These few days, there have not been views on YouTube. Literally everybody, as far as I'm concerned, they're suffering from YouTube, except there is an exception for you not to be suffering from views on YouTube. Now, most of the channels that I've actually seen are channels that create vlogs, like content creation on lifestyle basically, and they just said, oh, there is no views, there is no views, there is no views. I'm not going to say it is only limited to those particular people. If you check, even me that is doing tutorial, or we that is doing tutorial, you notice that these days it is hard for you to get views, right? Despite the fact that we're trying to put everything in line, you understand, like everything in place to ensure that we are on track, to ensure that every single thing that can push out your videos to the SEO is not limited. Now, this is one thing I need to tell you. Quitting YouTube is not actually the problem. It's not the solution to your problem. Now, the solution to your problem is consistency in uploading. One of the video actually was, the lady said she has been doing YouTube for 5 years, and I know how it feels for you to be doing YouTube for 5 years, right? 5 good years without results, without even having just 1,000 views on each of the videos that you are uploading. Like, it is demoralizing. It is not making sense. It is frustrating. I really, really know how she feels. But right now, quitting is not the game point. Quitting is not what you should be thinking of. Now, this is the game changer for every one of you that is going to be there. If you're doing content on lifestyle, I will always advise you to create another channel. Create another channel that you are going to be looking out for something that is valuable for you to put out tutorials here. Now, I've said it time without number. Gone are those days, sorry guys, I need to open my window. Gone are those days when you will just upload videos on YouTube, and as small as your audience is, a lot of your audience can just click on your video, access your videos to watch. Now, most people that are coming to watch your content, they are coming to ask you, what am I really gaining from you? You need to know that we have a lot of content creators right now on YouTube and less viewers, because everybody now wants to create content. So if I am going to be clicking your videos to watch your videos, to see what you're actually doing on your videos, you need to give me that reason why I need to stay, click, and then watch your videos. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So now in bringing out all of those reasons, it simply means there should be value attached to your content for them to be able to watch. Now, most people now don't want to just come, watch your lifestyle videos, watch your vlog videos, and then just go their ways. Not only lifestyle, right? Even some tutorials as well. Because they feel like, okay, I'm creating content, you're creating content, I'm supporting you. Are you now supporting me? You understand? That is why now what you should know is that it is not YouTube that is not pushing out your content. What is really happening to your channel is that people that are subscribed to your channel, when YouTube put out your content to them, they are not watching it. They are not interested in clicking on the video. And if they're not interested in clicking on the video, at the end of the day, you're not going to be getting that desired visibility that you're supposed to get. That's the honest truth. So let's not give up by quitting our YouTube. The only thing we should do is create a second account for yourself. Create a second account that whenever you post a video, you hurriedly go and use that second account to watch. Now, get people that can actually help you promote your content as well. Promote your content in the sense that people that can help you share to their community. I think some persons now, we're just small talking of $10, $5, just depending, $20, they'll be able to share to your community, to their community for you, so that you can start getting engagement and getting attraction. And another thing I should still tell you is try to be supporting content creators that you're seeing their comments regularly on your channel. You understand? Now, when you're supporting those content creators that you're seeing their comments regularly on your channel, it will help you when YouTube put out your videos on their surface. They are going to click and watch. One of the big support system I've seen on this YouTube street is there is this lady called, sorry guys if you're hearing that noise, right? There is this lady called Ogum Series. She support a lot of content creators and she support me as well, right? And if I see her videos, I try my possible best to watch her videos, even if I don't watch it immediately. You know why? This lady is a support system. And I feel like a lot of people will also be going to support that particular channel as well because they know that she is a support system. You get what I'm trying to say? So try to support your fellow content creators and don't just limit yourself to, oh, I am a content creator with 3,000 subscribers, with 4,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 20, 30,000 subscribers, and you think that you have made it. You think that you are big. You think that, see, nobody is big on this street. Even if you have 100,000 views, you are not big. Yes, you cannot support every single person that is coming your way. I understand that quite all right. But there are some people that you can also support. You too, maybe people, they go comment sections. They will see your comment there. Some of my content creators, if they upload a video and I go to support them, I see some people making comment like, oh, Vibe is here to support this person. And they'll also do what? They will support the person and the rest of that. I still try my possible best to share my content creators content on my post. You understand? I know that I might not give them all of that millions and thousands of views that they are looking out for, but it is definitely going to add to something. So trust me, I know how frustrating YouTube is. I know what it means for you to build your channel and then you get your channel demonetized. I know all of that. But another thing you should try your possible best to do for yourself is adhering to all of this that I've been able to see. And please, quitting is not the game plan. So if you are thinking of quitting, please remove that mindset. Remove that mindset. It is not the game plan. It is not the main aim for you to achieve whatsoever you want to achieve. I also want you to know that everybody's journey on YouTube is different. It is different. So your journey can be that you just started YouTube and you blew up. My journey can be that I will be here for 7 years, 8 years, 10 years before I blew up. But the most important thing that I know is the more you keep doing your thing, the more you keep getting recognized on daily basis. So all of those people that has left you in the past, you're going to meet up new persons. But if you quit your channel or you get your channel demonetized, that is where the issue is starting from. So YouTube is demonetizing channel. Be careful. YouTube is demonetizing channel. Be careful. Worst come to worst, get a coach. Get people that you can talk to. I always keep saying this. Get someone you can talk to. Even if you don't want to talk to Sonia, it's fine. Book a section. You understand? And I always put my mail for those of you that want to book a section where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. Go ahead, check. Fitanuja 3195 is the mail. Send me a mail. Check in my bio, the mail is there. Check in my description, the mail is there. Let us check your channel to see what is really happening so that at the end of the day, you don't get your channel demonetized on YouTube. And you don't get frustrated and then you quit what is supposed to be putting money to your pocket. YouTube is putting money to my pocket and I believe that it can still do same for you. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like to say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Don't quit and don't get your channel demonetized. Bye guys.